Alrighty, Mr. Gatekeeper here. We got a little simple Class C, single 1446 homebrew amplifier here. One the local fellows built around around the area out here. He just recently moved to another state. This is one of these. Not sure when he built it, but I went through it and seen about two things that I changed. It was only doing about 80 watts before I changed them, and it definitely brought it on up. So I thought about it. I was like, I don't really have no reason to keep it. Probably build me one here soon to keep for a little drive around the old bench, the so-called bench around here. So I thought I'd go ahead and make a video and put it up on eBay and be useful for somebody else other than me. But it doesn't have a variable on it, so you'll just have to use your dead key variable on your radio or whatever. So let's go ahead and show this. And this right here is an aqua fan. It's not blue, it's aqua. I don't have it hooked up right now. I'll hook all that up before I ship it on out, but this fan is aqua, so that's pretty neat. Little LED aqua fan. Alright, let's show you what we're going to be putting into it. Alrighty, a little peak about 26. It's doing right there about 20 watts. Oh, oh, alrighty. We're going to be putting right about 20 watts with a 1.2 watt dead key. We're on 11.9 volts. Alright, that 1.2 watts turns into 26 watt dead key. Do audio. Alright, 124 watts. Oh, alrighty. Let's go ahead and up the voltage up to about 15.2, 15.3. This thing cruises now. I'll give it to him, buddy. This thing cruises. I was up here at 3:30 in the morning the other morning, talked about, I think, about 4 people in a row out there in Texas, man. On this single 1446 driver. It's doing its thing, man. It's doing about what mine does, about 150 or so, 160. I don't know, when you hook the voltage up, give it some good drive. Oh, check, audio. Alrighty, right there about 140, 142. Oh, check, audio. Alrighty, so you got you a decent 120 to 150, 120, 145 so watt 1446 Class C driver. Modulator, whatever you want to call it. Hit it with a good hot radio, you could get it peaking up to around 180. But yeah, man, I'd turn this thing down, turn your radio down, drive it to a little 4-pill, a little 6-pill, something like that. And 1446 is give that good scream and modulation, no doubt about it. Let's go ahead and turn everything off. Go ahead and let you take a quick peek in it. There we go. Just a little old homebrew single 1446 driver. Pretty decent little size heat sink there. I'll give you a little helpful hint, whoever does get this box. I noticed there is no portholes on the side of it for the fan. Give you a little helpful hint. You don't have to do this. With having no portholes on this fan, basically what's going to happen is it's going to blow down and the hot air is going to come back up through the fan. I mean, it's not the best way for doing that. A lot of people don't even put fans on 1-pills or whatever, but if you would like to make this a forced air, put you some portholes on this side of the box right here. On this side of the box, right there, where portholes will be over here. Okay. Take your Dremel cutting tool and cut this board right here as close to this bolt going down. You could unsolder this right here and move it over a little bit if you wanted, or just come here and just cut this hole just enough to give it a little bitty slit where the air can go down and through the heat sink. You do that right there, you'll have a good forced air through there. If it was something I was keeping or I had more time, I would do that and maybe even add a little variable on there. But don't have a lot of time. Time is money, but it's still a hobby. Don't get it twisted. Mr. Gatekeeper said it, and I'm good and I'm gone.